This is truly a Caribbean dream home. Sugar Bay Home looks over Salt River Marina, Columbus Cove, and the entire north shore of St. Croix. With 4 bedrooms on the main level and an extra apartment down below, this is perfect for a vacation rental or even a full-time family residence. There's tons of outdoor living space here, which is a priority when you're living in the Caribbean. You spend a lot of your time outside hanging by the pool, and this one's got all that. It has a beautiful pool, 2 outdoor dining areas, and a poolside bar known as Harry's Bar. The main house has 4 bedrooms with 4 ensuite baths. And then there's a huge great room at the end of the corridor where everybody can group together and have a great time. All in all, Sugar Bay House is a perfect property at a really great price.